Hi, good morning. It's Dr. Garant talking from Spain. In 1 week, we go to Vegas to see a nice congress, especially to see David Perlmutter, specialist on brain damage, big neurologist. He's going to talk about how we do the prevention of Alzheimer. He have this famous book, The Great Brain. And that's in 1 week. I'm going to go with my family, so I'm going to be there from the 9 December, not 9/11, until 11. That's his A4M, big longevity organization, and we're going to talk about different subjects. In the morning I have Friday morning David Perlmutter. Later on, David Ludwig, many Davids, David Agus next day, and then after on Sunday, Asprey, David, and Gregor Michael, that they're going to talk about, nutrition and also all type of supplement and how to live longer. So that's important because. We see that it's going to be double Alzheimer in 15 years, and so we're going to see all the latest things about brain prevention and also about what to do. And how to prevent and also how to treat. Dementia prevention, dementia care, and Alzheimer prevention, or at least delay. It's important all the time that you have, good nutrition, plenty of anti-inflammatory substance like curcuma. Curcuma, that is the active ingredient of the plant that's called turmeric, because some people get confused sometimes. But also, as you know, olive oil is very important. We are in Spain. But also we have coconut oil. That is important also as anti-inflammatory. And lately we've been talking a lot about melatonin. Melatonin is one of the best supplements to protect your brain, but on a proper dose, like 20 milligram, 50 or 100 milligram or even more. That's important to have a good anti-inflammatory effect in your tissue of the brain, because the brain in dementia starts to be inflamed, and that the symptoms that is already sometimes starting like 20-30 years before. So that's important to know that now we can prevent brain damage like Alzheimer, and that's important to know what to do. So that's why it's important the diet, the exercise, and also of course the hormonal balance. And we work a lot with bioidentical hormone replacement, natural hormone replacement. That's you see, that's the book of Brain Maker. Now he got a new one from David Perlmutter. That's who wrote before the Great Brain. Well, you see in the other way. And so that's important to know that today there are many options. Also, now for brain damage, we work with, that's the Congress again. For brain damage, we work now with new therapy, with peptides. Like peptides is different type of amino acid together. And these peptides, they go to a specific zone in the brain that they have a damage. So these peptides can bring medication on nanotechnology. And that is the future. We're going to talk about that. And then we're going to talk about all the latest things on how to prevent Alzheimer's. So that's important because, as I said, double Alzheimer in 15 years. So you need to care of your brain because that's the only one who's going to be with you until the end. So that is all. So we're living in 1 week. So we keep online. We will be on live streaming every day. If the connection are okay, I suppose, Vegas is Vegas. So that is nice. So that's important to know that for the moment, remember the turmeric, plenty of turmeric. India is the country with less Alzheimer in the world. The turmeric that you need to boil it, for example, with black pepper. So the ingredients, the curcuma is getting easier for inside of your body, and you can take plenty. And remember to avoid all the, all the fat, all the saturated fat. And also, of course, we have, in our brain, virus, pseudobacteria, sometimes a lot of heavy metals. So be careful with the mercury, be careful with the lead, be careful with all these contaminants that they are there, all the electromagnetic fields. You try to go outside, don't overexpose you of Alzheimer. But we see that chlorine mix, it can enhance the absorption of aluminum in your body, in your brain. So please get out of your this chlorine, clean, pure waters, but not in plastic, mostly in crystal, because plastic is full of bisphenol and other substances that compete with your own T4. So that's important to know that now there are a lot of new things on medicine going on, and that's why we go to Vegas to meet big doctors there and to share a lot of knowledge. So we keep in line, and then we see you soon. Okay, say hello from here, from Marbella, Spain, and then we talk soon. So keep care of your brain, and we'll see what they're going to say when I leave to Vegas in 1 week. We'll see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you.